Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for the inno3C i-DAP8, or is it the i-DAP8 Portable Air Purifier. And this would retail at 698 Hong Kong dollars. That's just a couple of dollars short of 700 Hong Kong dollars. So let's take a look at this. So that's the size of my hand. That's the size of the box, and it's a pretty small air purifier. Not that we've opened the box yet. Now let's just take a look at the box itself. So, sorry, a bit of shrink wrapping gone wrong here. No, that's the corner part, that's why it looks like that. So 5 volt, i-DAP8, 5 watt power, and there's a Hong Kong address there. So that's their office. A few QR codes, barcode. Let's just turn it over. So that's the model. So the inno3C i-DAP8 Portable Air Purifier Dark Blue. And this does come in a number of color flavors. What else have we got? Dual fan design, H13 HEPA. I don't know what HEPA is, or HEPA filter. Must be like, you know, the filters you get for air conditioning or dehumidifiers and so forth. Smart air detection quality. Okay, I'm guessing there's an embedded system in there which can detect the quality of the air, and numerical PM 2.5 display. I don't know what that means, but in any case, what else have we got? No, I think that's it. Okay, let's open up this box and see what we get. So I've got my box cutter. Let's get through. Right, so if we could just open this, just get the shrink wrap off. I'm going to try and do this without breaking the box, so I have this really bad habit of doing that. And we can just take that off. Good. Okay, let's put that aside, and let's put the box cutter aside also. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Hang about. All right, so we've got the top off. Okay, let's put that aside over there. Or maybe just there. Okay, so let's have a look. We have, that must be the air purifier. So it comes in a little bag. Let's open it up. Oh, that's nice. So that is your air purifier. I suppose if you open this part, see what's in there. I suppose that's where you, yeah, so that's the filter system, isn't it? It's a bit like a dehumidifier, but just a whole lot smaller, and an air conditioning, but just a whole lot smaller. And it uses a USB Type-C connector, so you can, I'm guessing you can recharge the battery using that. I think there's an adapter or something in there. I'll look at that in just a moment. So let's see. So I'm guessing you have to stand it up like this. Of course, with the orientation of the camera, it would be like that. So in a moment, maybe I will adjust the camera a bit so you get a better perspective, because right now that's, you want to see it from the side here. Okay, now let's open up this part, and then we'll put that aside. Oh. Right, I'm going to put this whole thing aside. And there's another box, so I'm guessing that must be a USB wire or something. I guess it is, and I think there's a little user guide in here. So, inno3C i-DAP8 user manual portable air purifier. Package content: portable air purifier. That's that one. It says we've got a Type-C cable. I'm guessing it's in there, and the user manual, which is what we have in our hand. Okay, now let's, I'm just going to break this bag open actually. We're not going to use this again. So that's it, USB Type-C, well, conventional USB to USB Type-C. And yeah, I'm guessing that goes at the back, and then you can recharge your air purifier. You can also power it up. And right, notice the color codes. Right, good air, well, best air is blue color, good air is green color, and bad air is red color. Okay. There's other bits and bobs, but I'm not going to get into that. And that's the Chinese one, and that's the English one. Okay, let's, I'm going to put that aside. Now, let's readjust the angle. So, there we go, that's a lot better, we can see better now. Alright, so if I turn this around, so we've got the USB Type-C connector, or the port, and we're going to jam that in there. Hang on. All right, there we go. And let's turn that around. We do have a standard USB, an iPhone Apple charger in the back that uses the conventional USB. So let's plug that in, and there we go. Okay, oh, check that out. Right, you can sort of see, I'm not sure if I should be doing this, but you can see it's up and running. Okay, great. So if you take a look at the device, look at the top, you can see right now, just do that so we don't get the reflection. So right now it's at 32. A while ago it was kind of fluctuating from the 40 to the 40 to 50 mark. And if we go to the manual, you can see, let me just see if we can get that. Okay, there we go. So you can see from 0 to 75, the air quality is best, and it's blue, which it is at the moment. And if we had green or red, we're kind of going into the 76 to 150 range, which it is not at the moment. So that's a good sign. It's a relatively clean room, so we should not have any issues in this particular room. However, if we did take this to other rooms within the household, we would probably have a different result and different colors and so forth. Now, one thing I believe you can do is if you press the, there's an on button here. Sorry, I don't want to move this too much, but if I press the on button here, you can increase the speed of the fan. So right now, I've got two wavy lines, and the fan, it's moving a lot faster. It's accelerating. Well, it's moving faster, yeah. Okay, so just move the mat also. Yeah, so look, what happens if I press it again? So now it's on automatic. So it's got manual mode and auto mode. So that's manual. 1, 2, and 3. Increase the speed of the fan. I think we'll keep it at automatic. So there we go. That is the inno3C i-DAP8 Portable Air Purifier. Now let's just get the box. And there we go. That's it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you for the next videos. Take care and goodbye.